Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to do a review of the app of the week like I do every week, so check back every week for the review of the app of the week. How stupid does that sound? So this week it is Rise. It's not a game like I usually do, but an alarm clock. It's actually pretty cool, so let's get into it. Starts off pretty neat. Okay. Up at the top center it shows the current time, and in the middle it shows what your alarm time is. So to change your alarm time, just tap on the time, hold it, and then drag up and down and down and up. I think it's pretty cool because when you go to midnight, it's dark, and then as you get closer to the daytime, you have the sunrise, midday, and then it slowly gets the sun. That's when it gets dark, and it is nighttime again. So let's just set the alarm for 10:35 a.m. just to show you. Now, when you swipe over, it turns the alarm on. Swipe over again, turns the alarm off. Swipe from the other side, on and off. Pretty simple. Go down to the bottom, swipe up on the settings, and this is where you can pick your tone. There are quite a few tones to pick from, or you can select from iTunes and create your own playlist. Click on the settings and it'll show you got your snooze, repeat, dim 60%, your credit, special thanks, and this is just help. So let's go over the alarms real quick. We're just going to do this real fast just so you can hear them all. Let's start off with the flash. This is for people who are hard of hearing. Oh, never mind. We're not going to show you that one. So let's go with retro digital. Grandma's clock. Camping trip. Ancient temple. Gentle chimes. Seagull harbor. Jungle morning. Babbling brook. Rise and shine. Traveling winds. Walking at dawn. And you notice that there's a progress bar going across the screen as the alarm goes, just to show you how long the alarms actually are. Dance Club Dream. Early Bird. Morning News. Constant Judge, and Happy Melody. I like Dance Club Dream and Morning News the best. That's enough of that. Alright, and as far as anything else in the app, that is pretty much it. Let's see, we can adjust this is how you adjust the volume. You can have it off, quiet, and all the way up to 100%. And then we have our playlist right here. We're not going to create a playlist because I don't have anything on my iTunes on the iPad right now. Turn the alarm off because I do not want to wake up at 10:35 tomorrow. Alright, and that was Rise, the alarm. Pretty cool. If you're not a fan of the regular alarm that comes with your iOS device. So I hope you guys like it. And make sure you check back next week because I will be doing a review of whatever the app of the week is next week. Hopefully it's a game again. I much prefer doing reviews for that. Alright guys, you have a good one. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. That helps out a lot.